عارفين. Sorry, the program is take off, so I will complete the lesson again. How does the nitrogen oxide affect the human health? Nitrogen oxides and their derivatives has especially affect respiratory diseases as emphysema and bronchitis. Produce some respiratory diseases like emphysema and bronchitis. Okay. How to reduce the pollution with nitrogen? How to reduce the pollution with nitrogen? All new car must have a device known as catalytic converter. Catalytic converter. This catalytic converter act as advice to speed up the reaction, which involves the pollutant gas, converting them to less harmful product. Okay. Again, how to reduce the pollution with nitrogen gases? All new car must have a device known as catalytic converter. The catalytic converter acts as advice to speed the reaction, which involves the pollutant gas, converting them to less harmful product. Okay. Yes, Salman.
Mr. Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Can you repeat the page?
Again, raise your voice.
Repeat the page. Assalamu alaikum.
Repeat.
Repeat the page.
Okay.
Repeat the page.
Okay, I will repeat it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Very much.
Again. Harmful effect of nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxides pollution affect the environment and affect human health. How nitrogen oxide affect the environment? Number one, nitrogen oxide gases play important role in the formation of smoke. What's the meaning of smoke? Smoke is heavy smokes found especially in industrial cities. Okay, especially during summer. In the presence of rain, nitrogen oxides react with water and form acidic rain. What is this harmful of acidic rain? Harmful. Number one, it has corrosive action to building. Number two, it forms when this acidic rain drain to rivers and stream. It has a harmful effect on aquatic life. Okay, right. How does nitrogen pollutant affect the human health? nitrogen oxides and their derivatives has very harmful effect to early and elder human. It causes respiratory diseases like such as emphysema and bronchitis. Emphysema and bronchitis. I want this point only. Today, nitrogen oxides cause respiratory diseases such as emphysema and bronchitis. How reduce pollutant? How to reduce the pollution with nitrogen oxide? All new car must have advice. This advice is called catalytic converter. What's the importance of this advice? This advice speed up the reaction which involve the pollutant gases, okay, converting them to less harmful product. Convert the harmful gases to less harmful gases, okay. Now we are going to explain the second one, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Source of formation of sulfur dioxide. Heavy industries and power stations are the major sources of sulfur dioxide. Again, sulfur dioxide formed in heavy industries and power stations. It's formed by the combustion of coal, oil, and gas, which contain amount of sulfur. Again, it's formed by the combustion of coal, oil, gas, which contain small amount of sulfur. Sulfur react with oxygen, form sulfur dioxide. This is represented by S plus O2 form SO2. Harmful effect, environmental effect, and human effect. When the sulfur dioxide dissolves in rain water, form a weak acid called sulfuric acid. Sulfur dioxide plus water produce sulfuric acid. This equation represents as SO2 with water produce H2SO4. What's the effect of sulfuric acid? This acidic rain causes pollution of the building. When acidic rain drains to the liver, it have harmful effect to aquatic organisms, as at nitrogen oxides. Harmful effect, sulfur dioxide causes lung complication in both adult and children. Again, sulfur dioxide causes harmful effect to lungs in both adult and children. How respiratory disease also. How to reduce pollution with sulfur dioxide? Listen to me carefully in this. Units called flue gas desulfurization. Okay. Then units called flue gas desulfurization, FGD, are fitted to some power station to prevent emission of sulfur dioxide. Again, unit called flue gas desulfurization are emitted to some power station to prevent emission of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide can also be removed from
Hello, Mr.